makes no sense, but it's like, Otis, no, now you do, and then flip your hat up, like,
we'll do a side shot.
Me neither, but, but they would, some girl did that to me, and I was like, Lucius.
Hold on.
Yeah, if we were to jump on you right now, you...
What are you doing? Put the other arm in.
I can't get it. Hold on. Help me. Just don't get stuck.
Leave it on me.
No.
Why? I don't want to wear that.
So is this what you usually do on Saturday nights, or what?
Nice. Lucius, come here. Get over here.
Look at my feet.
Sit down.
Help my feet, Jack.
Help him what?
I'm gonna pee my pants.
Lucius.
Oh, I'm videoing.
You bet.
Come on.
No, take a picture.
Come on, model
Take
your
a picture.
knitted outfit.
I love you. You love me. I love you. You love me. I'm walking.
Hey.
I'm walking.
What was that, Josh?
Gay.
Chop.
No, seriously.
Do that to chop.
Chop. I gotta chop something now. Hi, boys and girls.
Yeah. Oh.
This is my dog's bone. It's bigger than me.
It's like a T-Rex, though, if you look at it.
Oh my god.
Yeah, you look like a T-Rex.
Yeah, don't you? Chop.
I'm gonna put this on my face.
You just run that chop sign.
This is what Saturday nights have come to for you, huh?
Hey, it's good, clean fun. We're drunk on pizza.
Can you get my phone and take a picture?